Hello everyone, welcome back to Awesome Origami. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a paper gun which shoots bullets. These are the bullets. We should just pull out the rubber band, fold the bullets, put it in like that and shoot. So now we'll need first 11 sheets of paper just to make the gun strong. In the 11 sheets, put 5 sheets together and keep it aside, and take 5 more sheets, put them together, keep it aside, and then take one more paper, which is 11th paper. This is just to make this, the trigger and all, and the bullets. So you keep this also aside, and we need scissors, a rubber band, a screwdriver or any sharp thing to make a hole where we insert the rubber band, and we need a cellophane tape. So let's get started. Take the first pile of papers, first pile of 5 papers, then fold this into half. Fold all 5 papers into half, then roll it. After that, take the cellophane tape. So put the cellophane tape and put cellophane tape. Put how much ever cellophane tape, and it will look like this. So after that, before we make use of the second 5 papers, we will take the screwdriver or the other sharp thing to make a hole near where the bullet will enter. Here and here for this gun. Same thing we'll do, and this will be the barrel of the gun. So make the hole. So we'll make the hole, and the hole will look like this. See? So then take the other set of 5 papers and fold it into half like this. Then take this and fold it again into half. I want the handle to be a little bit longer. Then you can fold this but leave a bit gap. But if you want it to be exactly half, you can make it like this. By the way, 5 sheets will make it too thick, so you can remove 3 sheets and you will be left with 2. So as I said, you should fold this like that, then fold this also to half. You should fold it half. Then you should roll this to make the handle, and then take the cellophane tape and put it. You need to again tape it, like so it will be like this. Then we need to stick this like that. So you should use more cellophane tape. Take cellophane tape and stick this together. And while sticking, you need to see that the two holes are good like that and the tape will not have come on them. So we need to stick this. And then after sticking, it should be like this. So now we should take the extra paper and cut it in a rectangle shape but small. Then cut this piece of paper into half, so you get two pieces of paper like this. So we are gonna use this to make the trigger and this. Then we'll cut again to make this and the bullets. So we need to roll this like that. Then take the cellophane tape and stick it. So then, if it's too long, we can just fold it into half. So take the tape, put it here, take this and then stick it to the tape right there, and then circle the tape around this whole thing until it takes that too. So now cut the tape, and fold this so that it will be straight. Now take this and you need to repeat the same process again. So for me it is too long, because if I leave it like this, it will be this big and it looks like this. So we need to fold this too. Then the result will be these two are the same size. So you can just simply fold that like that, and then this will be a bit longer. So now we need to stick this again, just like how we stuck the trigger. We need to put tape here. Then it will look like this. So we've got to cut this again, but cut only a bit. Then to see how long it is, you can also keep the paper here, because that's where we're gonna attach it, and check how long it is until where we should be. It should be. So if there is extra, then you have to cut out the extra there and check again, and then you just check again to see if we have cut out the correct amount. So now we should again circle this, then take the tape, and you know what to do. So after we paste everything, this is what we just made. I've just pasted it to this and that using the same method we used to paste the trigger and this. So, and as you can see, I have also cut out an oval piece of paper. So that is needed to close this, so that it will be like a real gun. So we should just paste this over there using cellophane tape. Then it will look like this. So now comes the place where we will use the rubber band. We should take the rubber band and cut it. Like this. Then we should use a needle, or we can do it with our own. We should use a needle, or we can do it like this only with our own hand. We should pass the rubber band in there, and this is best done with a needle. In a needle, you should take the rubber band and take a needle. Then just like how you sew, you should immerse the needle in this. Then it will be hanging to the needle. You should just carry the needle in and out of these two holes. Then remove the needle from this, detach, and then we should tie a knot. So it will look like this after you do it. There's a knot over here, and we can just pull the rubber band out. So now the gun's ready, but the bullets are not. So let's make the bullets. And you can see I already have 2 bullets. We'll make. So now, same thing, we cut out this. Then we can make long bullets or short bullets. I think I'll make a medium one. So this long. So we should, same thing, we should just roll it. So, but it will look like this making it. So you know how to make it. I made the thing, bullets. So now to make the bullet go, you should not just keep the bullet and make it go like that. It won't go, but only in rare cases it will go. Like when you have a really small rubber band. So if you have a big one, if you have put a big one, but for every rubber band you can do this, even for a small one. We should put the bullet like that and then fold it, pull it back, see, like that. Then it will go nicely inside. While if we put it without folding, it will go like that. See, it will come back. So we've got to put the bullet in the middle of the rubber band, fold the bullet, then shoot it. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is the end of the video. Bye.